Yo, what's up guys, I'm 7beats and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a really awesome Afro beat. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the drums, the melodies, and afterwards guide you through the mix and master project. So I'm going to use this piano from Heat Up, this one. And I think I should start with some really simple chords. Something like this. So I'm going to use these chords. So these are the chords I've just played, and I've just randomized the velocity. Maybe just use this color filter. And I'm going to add some strings on top of this one, and we're just going to copy this melody and pitch it up. Also use this color filter. And right now I'm going to add a guitar melody. I'm going to use this semi-hollow from Guitar Ample. Right now I'm going to disable these strings and the piano and copy the notes into my Guitar Ample. And I'm going to create a melody based on these chords. So I'm going to choose the root notes. So I think this F, G and this C are my root notes. So I'm going to turn this one up. We could delete this one and add them later. Turn these ones up. And we're going to copy these ones. So as you can hear, this already sounds really nice. And I'm going to just create a really simple guitar melody. But I'm going to turn this one octave down. Turn this one up. I'm going to repeat this one. And right here I've just created a melody like this. So just follow the notes from the ghost notes right here. That's really awesome. And just duplicate this one. And we want to make an adjustment to these notes right here. So I'm just going to turn them up. And just follow the notes from the ghost notes. That's also really awesome. Just duplicate it again, because we're going to create an 8-bar melody. This one is similar to this one. And we added some variety on this one, so we also add some variety on the last 2 bars. So right here I'm just going to turn up this one. And again, just follow the notes from the ghost notes right here, just from the chords. Just turn up this one. Just turn this one up. So I think this melody is finished and I'm going to play around with the velocity. So right now I've made some adjustments and finalized this melody. And I'm going to create this bass from 3 which I made myself. So just turn up this one 12 semitones and just add some high frequencies to the bass. And you can create some really awesome bass which really fits the Afrobeat style. So I'm going to create a bass line like this. And as you can hear, all the melodies go really well together. So I think I can create a really awesome beat with just the chords and the guitar melody. And right now I'm going to add the drums. Duplicate this one. I'm going to use another snare. Just cut out this part. And add some shakers. And I'm going to add this tom. And I'm going to copy this pattern to this one and just add this one right here. I think this tom could also sound really awesome. I think they're not in key, so I'm going to turn this one down. And I'm going to add this percussion. Just keep it really simple. And I'm going to add just another shaker. And maybe turn this one down. Yeah, play around the velocity. And I'm going to add a kick. And I'm going to turn on the bass to hear what I'm really adding. Yeah, that really fits the shakers and the melody. And all together. right now the creative process is finished and I'm going to create an arrangement, mix and master this beat and guide you to that project. Right now I've finished this project and I'm going to guide you to all the elements. So first I've started off with the guitar. So right now the piano is coming in and I've added a saw bass. So I've added this bass right here. I've used Serum for this one. And the saw bass is just following the same notes as my previous bass, this one. And this one. So the chords are coming in right here in this part. And I've added some effects on my guitar. So I've added this isotope vinyl, this OTD multiband compressor, this EQ, just to reduce the mid and low frequencies. And this one is to automate this guitar. I've added this clap with a lot of reverb. So I've used the Valhalla reverb and cut out all the low frequencies. So that's basically this part. Right here the piano chords are coming in again. And the strings are coming in. I've also added these toms. This one. And I've used 3 toms for this break. This one. Then I've added the second one. And another tom. Which sounds really awesome before the drums are coming in. I've added these effects. So this is just an uprising effect, this one. Just noise, and I've added an effect with a lot of reverb. And right here the bass is coming in again. And I've used a high cut filter on my guitar. As you can see, this one is automated by using this envelope. And right here I left out the kick. And right here, this is the outro part. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to download my free Afrobeats sample pack. Also make sure to download this free FLP where I will include some MIDIs and some sounds. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and see you guys in one of my next tutorials.